Okay, folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader. This is Bob Desmond. Tonight we're going to go over our trade of Emeritus Corp, symbol ESC. Real quick, before we get to the charts, a couple of housekeeping issues. One, the free trial button. I keep getting a lot of emails, people trying to sign up. It's not functional just yet. My developers are still working on the revamped website. Use the links on the blog post. I'm still honoring the old prices, not the prices that are on the checkout page right now, the old prices. And you still get a 14-day free trial offer. You get a monthly or annual rate. The annual rate's discounted. And of course, you get the 14-day free trial. Also, I don't always post my videos on Twitter or stock twits. So you just enter your email address here, which is free video lessons, and I always send out alerts to my email subscribers. And let's get on to the charts. Let's take a look at ESC. Why do we get involved with this stock? We started watching ESC. I brought it to my members' attention back here when nobody wanted it. It's a great contrarian trade, a typical contrarian trade. Nobody wanted the stock. It had a good amount of short interest. RSI was below 20. We saw it made a nice key reversal. It actually had gotten away from us before we got involved with it. It pulled back. We still monitored it. Nice double bottom setup. We got involved on this breakout above this declining downtrend line. The risk to reward was in our favor. That was on October 1st. The stock subsequently rallied. And over the weekend, I produced the week ahead commentary, a video of all the stocks that we hold. And I mentioned to members, watch out for ESC. If you're long, it's running into resistance at the 50-day moving average. I wasn't happy with the way it closed on Friday. We knew the 50-day moving average was going to be resistance. Also, if you take a look at the weekly chart, it just so happened that the stock ran smack dab into its 200-week moving average on Friday. So if the 50-day moving average wasn't going to act as resistance, the 200-week moving average sure as heck was. So I sent out my video commentary to members. Be careful, use a stop loss order, and let's get ready to get out book profits on ESC. Sure enough, what you're looking at now is a 30-minute chart. Sure enough, if you took a look at the Friday rally higher at the open, it was stopped dead at $20.39. What sits at $20.39? The 200-period moving average. It reversed off of that level, pulled back. It held $20.03 on Friday afternoon. It rallied into the close on Friday. However, the thing that was concerning is that you have this big topping tail. Again, this is a 30-minute chart, intraday chart. Big topping tail. And also it put in a lower high. $20.39 was the prior high. $20.38 was the next high. So after taking a look at this topping action on Friday, what do we want to look for? We want to take a look at where should support be so we can input our logical stop loss order. And you could see that on Friday morning we had good support at $20. Mid-afternoon, good support at $20, $20.03 if you want to get technical. And back here on October 14th, we saw resistance at $20.02, which now acts as support. Where does your logical stop loss order get put in? Right below that level. So we were stopped out of this trade. Do you need to sit in front of your computer to trade stocks like this? No, we're not day traders. Day traders do subscribe to my service, but you don't need to be a day trader. You can be a part-time trader and just put your stop loss in, limit orders in, and let the computer do the job for you. That's the beauty about trading in the new millennia. Now you just set your computers to do all the work for you and go about your day job. So we were stopped out. We're glad we were. We're probably not going to get back involved with ESC right away due to the fact that you had a big long red candlestick. Today, my guess is we're probably going to pull back to $19.50. We'll see whether or not we get some bottoming action at that point in time, and then we may perhaps look to get long of the stock once again. Another issue I don't like is that on the ultimate oscillator, we broke trend today. We closed below the rising uptrend line, which is a concern. The slow stochastics still look good. Williams percentage R still looks good. I'm not saying to go out and dump all your ESC right now. I'm just saying be forewarned. It looks like it's going to have some choppy action ahead of it. You may want to look to book some profits if you have profits on the stock. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, robert@thecontrariantrader.com. And don't forget to sign up for my free video lessons as well. And folks, keep an eye out for my market cap videos on Facebook and on Jack Specific, which we both booked profits on today. Again, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Talk to you soon.